welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great January. For the first video of the year, we are making a classic French cake. We're making opera cake. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make the opera cake, we're first going to make the almond sponge cake. For this, you'll need 4 eggs, 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 egg whites, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. To get started, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In your electric mixer, beat the eggs on medium-high speed until foamy. Sift in the almond flour and powdered sugar and beat until pale and thickened. This should take about 3 minutes. Then sift in the flour and beat just until combined. In a separate mixing bowl with a clean whisk attachment, beat the egg whites on high speed until frothy. This should take about a minute. While it's beating, slowly add in the sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks form. Next, fold in the egg whites into the flour mixture in 3 batches. Then fold in the melted butter. Pour the batter into a lined 17 by 11 inch baking sheet and gently smooth it into an even layer. Bake in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown and springy to touch. Carefully take it out of the pan and let it cool completely while we make the coffee syrup. To make the coffee syrup, you'll need a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant espresso powder, a 1/4 cup of water, and an optional 1/4 cup of brandy or cognac of your choosing. In a small saucepan, whisk together the sugar and espresso powder. Then whisk in the water and cognac. Place it over a medium heat and bring it to a simmer, stirring occasionally until the sugar is dissolved. Remove it from the heat and let it cool while we make the chocolate glaze. To make the chocolate glaze, you'll need 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Break or chop up your chocolate pieces and cut the butter into tablespoons. Then place them over the stove as we're melting everything using the double boiler method. Stir the mixture until the chocolate and butter are fully melted and combined. Remove it from the heat and let it cool, stirring occasionally until it becomes glossy but also thick and spreadable. While it cools, let's make the buttercream. To make the coffee buttercream, you'll need 2 teaspoons of instant espresso powder, 4 tablespoons of hot water, a 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 6 egg yolks, and 1 cup of unsalted butter softened. In a small cup, dissolve the espresso powder in 1 tablespoon of the water, then set it aside. In your electric mixer with the whisk attachment, add the egg yolks and beat on medium-high speed until thickened. This should take about 6 minutes. While that is happening, over onto the stove, combine the sugar and the remaining 3 tablespoons of water in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Swirl occasionally until the sugar is dissolved, then insert a candy thermometer and bring it to a boil. Bring it to a boil until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit and immediately remove it from the heat. With the mixer running, carefully and slowly pour the sugar syrup into the egg yolks. Beat the egg yolk mixture on medium-high speed until very stiff and the outside of the bowl is barely warm to touch. This should take about 10 minutes. Decrease the speed to medium and add the butter, a tablespoon at a time, waiting a few seconds between each addition. Beat on medium speed until the buttercream is spreadable and smooth, then add in the coffee. Scrape down the bowl and now it's time to assemble. Transfer the cool cake to a cutting board. Cut the cake in half, then about 4 to 4.5 inch wide strip down one long side of the cake, creating 2 large rectangles and 2 thinner strips. Place one of the large rectangles on the board or cake plate. Brush the cake with the cooled coffee syrup, then spread half of the coffee buttercream evenly over the cake. Place the 2 thinner strips side by side on top of the buttercream, then brush the coffee syrup on it again. Next, spread some of the chocolate glaze over the cake all the way to the edges. Top it off with the remaining pieces of the cake and brush on the coffee syrup once again. Spread the remaining buttercream over the cake, making it as smooth as possible. Then place it in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes or until the buttercream is firm to touch. Reheat the remaining chocolate glaze if you need to. Place it off to the side and spread a thin layer of the remaining glaze on top of the cake, making sure you go all the way to the edges. Place it back in the fridge to chill for about 1 to 2 hours. Once your cake has time to chill, trim away a bit of each side of the cake to create clean, straight sides. Cut your cake in half the long way, then cut it into 2-inch pieces. Slightly reheat the remaining chocolate glaze and place it into a piping bag with a size 3 round tip. Decorate it by writing opera on the top of the cake. And now you're ready to enjoy a piece of decadent French opera cake. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun in this channel. I had a great time making the opera cake and I hope you did as well. It was delicious with every bite, and if you love chocolate and coffee, you're going to love this cake. If you recreate the opera cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your opera cake, and have a great day. Bye!